Hi, I'm going to do a little video here. This is the Savage Model 10 BA Stealth. Now, on the back here, I put this, it's a gel pad, and it worked a lot better than the Packmeyer decelerator. Problem with it, it let the rifle come back, and where the scope was just touching my eye sometimes during the recoil. So, I put on a muzzle brake a couple weeks ago. This is the Timber Creek? Yeah, I forget now. Anyway, it's the Heartbreaker. It's out of Oregon. I'll put it in the description exactly who the manufacturer is. Screws right on, easy to align, no big deal. But I tell you, it's really reduced the recoil on this. I really should have had a muzzle brake on from the start, I guess. Now it's actually just a joy to shoot. So I'm going to do 10 rounds out at my target out here at 1,000 yards. The rock is painted black, and I got this little black frame around it. The frame is 2 feet wide, and even though it's 38 inches tall because it's laying back on the hill, it almost looks like a perfect square, so it worked out really well. And because this is really loud, I'm going to be wearing my hearing protection, of course, because now with that muzzle brake, it's even a lot louder back here. So, but yeah, it's a lot more fun to shoot. Okay, I got my scope set, and I got the scope adjusted for windage, I think, but I'm not sure how much. So we're just going to shoot it and see what happens. It still hit way right. Upper right corner. And I want to come down right there. Oh, that one hit way low. That was weird. What the hell's up with that, right? That one was low. Still low. It's 5. Definitely being stubborn today, isn't it? And that one hit high. I don't know if it's me, the rifle, or the ammo today. I was just shooting pretty good earlier with my other rifles, but especially the Grindo. And back low. Got the windage worked out apparently, but yeah, I don't know. This is being really inconsistent today. I'm gonna try a few more rounds, see where it takes me. Because I'm aiming the same spot every time on the scope. And the few clicks I'm moving shouldn't affect it much. Not by the 1 or 2 feet that it is. I hit the upper right corner. Little high. And left still. Saying that shit way high. Getting some really bad inconsistency with this ammo this week. I don't know. I don't know if it's me or what. But I'm thinking it's more the ammo than me. That actually looked like it was a hit. And that's taken me 14 rounds to get there. I did not see that. I didn't get back on it fast enough. And that hit way high. And that hit way high. And I'm aiming in the same spot. And that hit way high. Okay, last 2 shots I'm gonna actually aim lower so you can get back on the target. Yeah, this is, I don't know, this ammo's been really inconsistent this year. But I started a new box. Had my elevation good, but I was outside on the right. Try one more round. Huh. That hit way high and I was aiming low. Okay, well, as you can see, sometimes I just have off days, or maybe the ammo, I'm not sure what's going on today. But I think I hit it one time out of 20 shots. That's not very good. Anyway, thanks for watching.